Bitcoin is again gained the all-time high. The cryptocurrency industry is over $300 trillion and everybody is looking towards it. There are lots of rumors and lots of confusion going on, and they are saying this is a Ponzi scheme. You should not have to invest your money in this. This is going to fall down. But what is actually happening in the market is most weirdest thing right now for the everyone. Nobody is looking towards the current market scenario which is going all around. The every market of the world is at the all-time high. They are gaining the all-time high peak at their levels. So what exactly is coming up? There is a recession back to back, or there is something else which is more weirdest than this Bitcoin? This Bitcoin or cryptocurrency industries is just a diversion for us to take your eyes off from the current market scenario. Due to the pandemic, there are no major activities going on all around the world. But still, if you look at the different market, then you will find they are attending their peak levels. They are breaking all the records and they are all on the high level at this point of time. So what exactly going inside the market? Is this the big bubble than the Bitcoin? It is not something which we could not understand. If you look towards the current market scenario in the pandemic and look towards the different data available, analyze it, then you will find the current market bubble is more dangerous than the Bitcoin bubble. So we consider this is just a diversion. The Bitcoin is just a diversion to take mine and your eyes away from the current market activities. The bubble is already here. Either it's in the form of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or in the form of market bubble. Differences are already created. So accept it and think over this, which is going to be more dangerous, which is going to be more worse at this point of time. Start working today, because tomorrow is going to be more worse than what we have right now.